This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your online status on the Telegram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Telegram app opened up. To turn on or off your online status on Telegram, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to the little Settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and tap on Privacy and Security. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways, and in the Privacy section, right here, Last Seen and Online. I'm going to tap on Last Seen and Online. As you can see, it says who can see my last seen. As you can see, it by default it's set to everybody, but you can change it to my contacts or nobody. I'm going to tap on nobody, and then it gives me a few more options. Exceptions, hide read time. That is how to turn on or off your online status on Telegram. Thanks for watching.